Hello students, good morning to all. I am Swati Patel and today we are going to learn common nouns and proper nouns. In previously we have learned that what is nouns, right? The name of a person, place, animals and things, it is called nouns. Today we will learn common nouns and proper nouns. So first we will see what is common nouns. The names of people and places in general are called common nouns. For example, child, boy, girl, man, women, city, food, village, country. So these are the common nouns. Generally we are using for commonly, right? Now we will see what is proper nouns. The special names of people and places are called proper nouns, and special names begin with capital letters. For example, Rohan or Sia or any girl or boy's name, that is known as proper noun. Particularly we are calling that person, so that person only will listen. And in common noun we are speaking like boys, girls, children, students, so that is known as common noun. So back to the proper nouns. Here examples it is given, that is Rohan, Dharmaj, Sia, India. Any particular city or village or town or girl or boy's name, so that is known as proper noun. Understood? Now next one, that is exercise, it is there. Write CN that means common noun, and PN that means proper noun. So write CN beside common nouns and PN beside proper nouns. Here 4 pictures I have given. First one, it is of boy. Boy, that is common noun, right? Mouse, it is also common noun. But instead of that boy, if I have written any boy's name, that Rohan or Sohan, so that will be the proper noun. But I have just written only boy, so it is common noun. Okay. Downside two pictures it is there, that one it is of girl and one it is of festival, that is Diwali. So I have written the name of that girl, that is Ritu. So it is known as proper nouns. One particular name it is there, so we will write here PN, that is proper noun. And here that picture it is of Diwali, so I have written proper noun. But if I will write here instead of Diwali festival, so festival we will consider as a common noun. Okay, understood? Now next exercise, complete the table with words from the box. Here in the box some words it is given, that you have to classify in the two boxes, in the common noun and proper noun heading it is given. So first we will read these words which is given in the bracket. India, boy, Delhi, girl, scientist, Rohan, festival, Ria, city, Holi, Abdul Kalam, and country. Okay, so one by one we will see. First one it is of India, right? India, that particular one country's name it is there, so that we will write in a proper noun. Boy, that we will write in a common noun, that generally we are using, right? Boy or girl. So boy and girl we will write in a common noun. Delhi, that is proper noun, so we will write in the second box, right? Then scientist, if we are talking about scientist, so that can be any scientist, so that we will write in a common noun. But if particular one scientist it is there, like Abdul Kalam or Einstein, so then we have to write in a proper noun. Rohan it is a name of one boy, so that we will write in a proper noun. Festival, as I have told previously, that festival, any festivals are there, many festivals are there, so we don't know which festival we are talking about right now. If particular festival it is there, Diwali, Holi, Christmas or Eid, so that we can write in a proper noun. But festival, so that can be any festival, so we will write in a common noun. Ria it is a name of a girl, so that is proper noun, right? City it is a common noun. Holi, now it is a festival, but particular one festival, that is Holi, so that we will write in a proper noun. Abdul Kalam, so that is also proper noun. Then country, that is common noun. Okay, I hope that all of you have understood, right? Okay, now this you have to copy down in your notebook. Now next exercise, in column A are some proper nouns, and in column B the common nouns that match with them. Here two columns it is given. In column A some proper nouns it is given, and in column B some common nouns it is given. You have to match with the other. Monday, so Monday it is a day of the week, so that you have to match. You can draw a line with the scale, or you can put dash and write the correct answer in your notebook. That Monday, then dash, then you can write day of the week. The next one it is the Bible. The Bible it is a holy book. That Bible it is a holy book of Christian people. Okay, then next one it is Harry Potter. Harry Potter it is a boy, that is boy wizard, that means it's one kind of magician that we have seen in the movie, right? Then next one it is Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse it is a one cartoon character. Then next one it is October, that is month of the year. In a year 12 months are there, right? So from that one month name it is October, so October we will write that month of the year. Then Diwali it is festival, right? Then next one it is Virat Kohli. He is a cricketer. If in that column cricketer it is given, you can match with that, or else sports person, I have given sports person, so you can match with that also. Okay, then Baroda or Vadodara, right? It is a name of a city. Then Madhuri Dixit, that is one actor. And last one it is Einstein, so he is a scientist. So this match with the column in your notebook. Okay, then next exercise, that is exercise D. Circle the special names and rewrite the sentences correctly. As we know that special names it is there, so first letter it should be capital, right? So if it is not capital one, then put it circle, and that special names you have to put circle around that word. And if capital it is not there, then rewrite the sentence with the capital letter of that first word. Okay, that first letter of the word, that should be capital. Then first one it is Bhutan and Nepal are India's neighbors. Both are the neighboring countries of the India. As these three circled one words, it is special names and it should be capital. But here it is not that capital letter it is given, right? So we have to rewrite. That means again we have to write this sentence with the capital letters. Bhutan and Nepal are India's neighbors. Then second one, Rahul's cousin Kavita made idlis for him. So here the name of one boy, that is Rahul, and one girl, that is Kavita. So that are special names, but here capital letter it is not given. So that sentence you have to write it again with the capital letters. Rahul's cousin Kavita made idlis for him. Then next one, Goa is not very far from Mangalore. So Goa and Mangalore, that is special name, and that should be in the first letter of this word it should be capital. So we have to write it again, that Goa is not very far from Mangalore. Okay, so all this exercise and definition that you have to copy down in your notebook. Thank you.